Hello. A few staff members asked for some more information on how to get notifications up and running on their computer, so just thought I'd record a quick little tutorial on that. When you're in Google Calendar, you can just click on the Settings cog, and then it'll come up with a drop down. Click Settings again. You'll scroll down until you see Event Settings, and then one of the options that you have is Desktop Notifications. So you'll just want to make sure that you have that checked. If you'd like notification sounds, make sure and check that as well. Okay, so that's in Google Calendar. You'll also want to make sure that notifications are allowed and permitted on your computer. To do that, you'll go to the settings area on your computer. For most of you, it's going to be at your bottom left, and that will also look like a little cog wheel. So mine's right here. I'm going to click settings. Most of your notifications changing adjustments will take place under system. So if you click that guy, and then you'll see a section for notifications. You'll just want to make sure and toggle on, make sure that your notifications are turned on there. And then there'll be some other options. Are you okay with sounds? Things like that. When you're in Google Calendar then, and you're making an event, I'm just going to show you this real quick. When you create the event, underneath the calendar, you can choose then what notifications you want to have for that event. So you can choose from 5, 10, 15 minutes on important things for you guys on our shared calendars, like our high school and middle school. I've been doing 1 week, 1 day, and 10 minutes as reminders. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and I can help kind of troubleshoot with you guys. Thank you. Bye.